Hi guys, welcome to The Right Hunt, and this is Agent Hunt here. The property price in Singapore is still consistently rising. So should we don't buy and just go and rent? So let's say today we are renting a HDB for $2,500 per month. Can we find a place to buy and all the payments like the mortgage loan, which means the principal paid, the interest component, the property tax, the fire insurance all fall below what we need to pay for rental instead? If yes, it will be good not to rent because we can take this advantage of the principal being paid as a form of savings to us. Example, if you buy a $500,000 HDB and take a loan of 75% with a high interest of 2.6%. By the way, now the interest is as low as 1.5%. Then the monthly installment is about $1,700. And when we break it up, it's about $900 going to principal and $800 going to the bank interest. Mortgage interest in Singapore is very different from car loan interest. For example, the property that we paid for, the interest will reduce over time, meaning along the years, we will pay more towards the principal and our bank interest will start to come down and we will save more towards it. So at the end of 25 years, we actually own an asset that's fully paid, and if we were to sell, we will still have some money back. But if you were to go and rent, the renter is just helping the landlord to pay off his or her loan and helping the owner to own a valuable asset. That is why there's an article saying that the homeowner has a net worth of 4 times comparing to a tenant. So today, if let's say you have thoughts of like going for rental or going to buy your own property, you need to really go and compare the rental that you need to pay, compare the monthly installment that you need to pay for the house, is it about the same? If let's say it's about the same, please go and buy your own property, because at the end of the day, you are just saving your money into the property. When you sell, you will still have your money back. But of course, please buy the right property. So that's it for today, just to share a little bit on the rental compared to buying a property. So if you have any question, feel free to just write down at the comment below. And also please help me to like, share and subscribe to all your friends so that this information can be shared to everybody. So once again, I'm Agent Hunt from The Right Hunt, and I'll see you soon.